Have you ever seen two welding guns weld at the same time? Suitable for screw planting. In charge of insulation. Double check ground pliers. Double gun rotating welding. Ready to go into practice now. Connect the two welding guns. Two welding guns are connected to the gun joint. Welding gun control line. Connect to switch 1, switch 2 respectively. Install double head ground wire. Ground pliers are clamped on both sides of the plate. Turn on the power. Now hit the screw to plant. Supports M for M6 screws. The welding is firm and does not fall off. Ready to plant with thermal insulation nails. The gun head needs to be replaced to hit the thermal insulation nail. Remove balance screws and collets. Replace with thermal insulation nail suction cup. Adjust voltage. Two welding torches are welded in turn. The welding is firm and does not fall off. Duct insulation nail. Ship insulation nail.